What if I told you there's a secret about the law of attraction that no one will ever teach you? You've probably heard it all before. Think positively, visualize your dreams, and watch your life change. But here's the truth: most people have completely misunderstood it. They've simplified it into something that sounds easy, but in reality, it's far more powerful and complex than you think. In this video, you're going to learn the hidden truth behind the law of attraction, the one thing no one talks about that could completely change your life. We'll go beyond the surface level advice and dive into the real energy that drives manifestation. And trust me, once you understand this, your perspective on how you manifest will never be the same. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to discover could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Welcome to our channel, and if you're ready to unlock this hidden secret, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video that could change your life. Let's get started. The law of attraction is often summed up in one simple phrase, like attracts like. It's the idea that what you focus on, think about, and put your energy into is what you attract into your life. Whether it's money, love, success, or happiness, the theory is that if you concentrate your thoughts and energy on these things, they will eventually come to you. People often turn to the law of attraction to manifest their desires, whether it's a new relationship, a dream job, or financial freedom. They visualize, they meditate, they repeat affirmations, all in hopes of drawing those desires into their reality. And while these practices are a part of the process, they're often misunderstood. Here's the thing: the law of attraction isn't just about thinking positive thoughts and waiting for good things to happen. It's not a magic formula where you simply wish for something and expect it to appear. People often miss a crucial piece that's not taught in most mainstream videos. This missing element is the key to truly making the law of attraction work for you. It's not just about what you think, but about how you align your entire being, your emotions, your actions, and even your subconscious beliefs with your desires. The truth is, the law of attraction is not just about thinking positively. It's about aligning your energy with your desires. Many people think that as long as they visualize their dreams or repeat affirmations, they will attract what they want. But that's only part of the equation. The missing element, the one thing that can make all the difference, is the emotional vibration you put out into the universe. Everything in the universe, including your thoughts and emotions, is made up of energy. When you think positively, you're creating a certain frequency or vibration. But here's where things get interesting: it's not enough to just think happy thoughts. You need to feel the emotions that come with having what you desire. Manifestation isn't about wishing for something, it's about embodying the energy of it. Imagine you want financial abundance. It's not just about thinking, I want money, it's about feeling the abundance as if it's already yours. You have to act, think, and feel as though you're already living in that reality. This emotional alignment sends a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive, not just hoping for a change. When your emotional vibration matches the frequency of your desires, you create a powerful magnetic field. And that's when true manifestation happens, not by just thinking, but by fully embodying the energy of what you want. Every thought, emotion, and action carries its own energy. The universe doesn't respond to words, it responds to your energy. This energy is like a frequency, and just like a radio picks up signals, the universe picks up the energy you emit. It's not about what you say or what you consciously think, it's about what you truly feel and believe deep down. Your energy is constantly in motion, and it aligns with what you believe to be true about yourself and your life. For example, you might consciously want success, but if deep down you feel unworthy of success, your energy won't match that desire. The universe will pick up on this mismatch and respond accordingly. It doesn't matter how many affirmations you repeat, if your energy doesn't align with your goals, it's like sending mixed signals to the universe. This is why it's so important to pay attention, not just to your thoughts, but also to your emotions and beliefs. If you want to attract abundance, you need to feel abundant. If you want love, you need to feel worthy of love. The universe responds to this internal vibration, aligning you with the things that reflect your true energy. Our subconscious beliefs shape the reality we experience every day. These beliefs, many of which are formed in childhood or through past experiences, operate in the background, influencing how we see the world and ourselves. They create the foundation for everything we attract into our lives. If you've been taught or have internalized beliefs like "I'm not good enough" or "I don't deserve success," those beliefs will directly impact your ability to manifest what you truly want. Self-worth plays a critical role in this process. If you don't believe you're worthy of the things you desire, your energy won't match the vibration of those desires. It's not just about wanting something, it's about feeling deserving of it. If deep down you feel unworthy of love, financial success, or happiness, those subconscious beliefs will block your ability to receive these things, no matter how hard you try to manifest them. It's essential to examine your internal beliefs about what you deserve. Do you believe you are worthy of abundance, love, and success? Or do you have hidden doubts or fears that hold you back? The more you uncover and heal those limiting beliefs, the more aligned your energy will be with the things you desire. It all starts with recognizing and shifting your beliefs about yourself and your worth. To truly align with the law of attraction, there are some actionable steps you can take every day. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to raise your energy is by practicing gratitude. When you focus on what you're thankful for, you shift your energy to a positive frequency, making it easier to attract more of what you want. Gratitude helps you become more in tune with abundance, which in turn opens the door to receiving more of it. Visualization is another crucial step. But here's the key: don't just picture your desires, feel the emotions of having them now. Imagine the excitement, the peace, or the joy you would feel if your dreams were already your reality. When you align your emotions with your vision, your energy becomes magnetic, pulling those desires closer to you. Releasing resistance is also vital. Doubts and fears create blocks that prevent manifestation. Letting go of these negative emotions is necessary to allow the universe to work with you. Instead of holding on to the fear that things won't happen, trust that the universe is always working in your favor and release that resistance. The more you surrender to the process, the easier it becomes to attract what you want. Journaling and meditating are powerful tools for uncovering hidden beliefs that may be holding you back. Spend time reflecting on your thoughts and emotions, especially the ones that don't align with your desires. Journaling allows you to explore these hidden beliefs, while meditation helps you quiet the mind and connect with your deeper self. By identifying and releasing limiting beliefs, you create a clear path for manifestation to flow into your life. The true power of the law of attraction goes far beyond simply thinking positively. It's not enough to just repeat affirmations or imagine your dreams without fully embodying the energy that comes with them. True manifestation happens when you shift your entire energy, your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs so that they align with the reality you want to create. When you make this shift, everything in your life changes. Your relationships improve because you're no longer attracting negativity or unworthiness. Your finances transform because you begin to operate from a place of abundance and confidence, not scarcity. Even your health can improve as your energy shifts to a more vibrant and positive frequency that supports physical well-being. This is why true manifestation isn't just about having a vision board or setting goals. It's about completely aligning your energy with the things you desire, feeling them in every part of your being. Once you do that, the universe begins to respond, and the changes you experience will be reflected in every area of your life. The key message here is clear: the law of attraction isn't just about thinking positively, it's about aligning your entire being with your desires. It's about matching your energy with what you truly want, not just wishing for it. Now that you know the secret to true manifestation, it's time to take action. How will you use this knowledge to change your life? If you're ready to start shifting your energy and manifesting your dreams, don't wait any longer. Start today and watch how your life transforms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing insights. Your journey towards manifestation starts now. Let's walk it together.